Welcome to my projectbazaar.com. Now let's see about texture classification using rotation and scale invariant Gabber texture features. Now let's see about this abstract. It is the texture classification for a different kind of textures, and the Gabber features is extracted for the input image. It is similar to those of the human visual system, and they have been found to be particularly appropriate for texture representations and discrimination. It is a linear filter used for edge detections. And then finally we classify the features by the use of KNN classifier. The classifier will predict the category of the image. The K nearest neighbor algorithms is a non-parametric method used for classification and regression. In both cases, the input consists of the K closest training examples in the feature space. The output depends on whether the KNN is used for classification or regression. This is the flow of our process. It has the two stages. First one is the training stage and the second one is the testing stage. In training stage, we have to given the whole database images. The whole database images pass through the pre-processing step. In this stage, we are filtering the noise from the image. For removing the noise, here we are applying the Gaussian filter. It is often used to remove the noise from the image. After removing the noise will be removed based on the weight and mean of the neighboring pixel. After removing the noise, it will go to the Gabber feature. We extract the Gabber feature for the input image. Gabber filters are similar to those of the human visual system, and they have been found to be particularly appropriate for the texture representation and discrimination. It is a linear filter used for the edge detection. So after extracting the feature, it will go for the KNN classifier. So for the KNN classifier, you have to given the input image. The input images will be affected by the rotation. After rotating the input image, we are extracting the pre-processing and Gabber features are applied, and the extracted features will go to the KNN classifier. So the KNN classifier will identify the images based on the training features, and the result will be displayed finally. Now let's see the demo of our process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. So in data set I am having different kind of texture images. Here we are going to identify this texture images while the rotation mode. Now I am giving one testing image. So you have to rotate the image. For rotated image, you have to calculate the Gabber feature. This Gabber feature will be recognized by the KNN classifier. These are the recognized image in the rotation mode. The classifier will be identified this image category as 1. This is the Gabber feature that is in a different orientation. 7 orientation is calculated here. This is the rotated image. At this rotated image, we are calculating the Gabber filter. This is the input image. Now I am showing the result of texture classification by using Gabber filter in rotation mode. It's showing the better result. Thank you.